Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pruning extensions. Disable or uninstall anything you don't use daily so startup stays fast. Once done, enable settings sync or export settings to preserve choices across machines. This avoids repeated clutter. Next, edit your user settings. JSON to enforce format on save, hide files with files. Exclude and disable the minimap. These reduce visual noise and accidental files. Do this now so the rest of the process operates on a minimal, predictable base. Once your global baseline is set, tune each workspace with vscode/settings. JSON so project-specific rules don't clutter other work. You should pick a compact theme and matching icon pack to make file trees easier to scan. A small font size tweak like 1/2 step can reveal more code without strain. Also, configure editor options, tab size, render whitespace, and disable code, lens where unnecessary, to speed rendering and reduce visual interruptions as you work. You finish by automating repetition. Create tasks and custom key bindings so common actions don't create temporary clutter. Then run the built-in performance profile to spot slow extensions. Disable or replace any offenders to restore responsiveness. If something goes wrong, broken UI, missing commands, open the command palette and try clearing the workspace cache or resetting user settings. This resolves most issues. Make sure to re-enable settings sync afterward so your polished setup sticks across machines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.